got a Boxing Day box from my lovely friends over at the Black Farmer. So let's have a look and see what is inside the box. Okay, so firstly we have got Beechwood smoked cheddar. That sounds amazing. I love smoked cheddar. And then I've got a massive pork pie. Also love pork pies with a bit of piccalilli. Some luxury chipolata pigs in blankets. Premium pork chipolatas. Oak smoked sliced ham. Dorset blue Vinny and fig salami. That sounds different. Then in here are 2 pies. So this one is a gluten-free steak and kidney pie. Another gluten-free chicken, ham and leek pie. How nice. Thank you so much. I can't wait to try these. I feel like I need to try the pork pie now. Look at the size of that. Oh, that looks glorious. Mmm.